Now, the Agriculture and Food Authority has raised concerns on poor methods used to transport avocados from farms to packing houses. Here's Terry Njenga with those details.
Kenya exports about 80,000 tons of avocados annually, with the key markets over the years being countries in the European Union as well as the Middle East. However, poor transportation and harvesting of immature fruits are compromising quality of avocado in the country. The Agriculture and Food Authority is concerned that some buyers are using open pickups to transport avocado, which affects quality of the fruits, instead of the recommended packaging in crates and transporting in well-designed vehicles.
Transportation of avocado conforms to the minimum requirements that are entrenched in the crops regulations and the horticulture crops regulations of 2020. We are advising all the value chain actors, because of growing popularity of the Kenyan avocado and the increasing production of the crop, then we need to do what it is best practice so that we can be able to continue gaining the international markets.
The other challenge faced is avocado theft, which security agents have pledged to tackle.
We have sensitized the law enforcers, that is the Deputy County Commissioners and the OCPDs, on what they're supposed to look for. At all police roadblocks, we're going to ensure that we have gazetted crops officers. These officers will ensure that the avocados are packaged the way they're supposed to be packaged, whether in crates or any other way that is recommended by the law.
Terry Njenga, Lunchtime News.